Hello friends, for our project today, we are going to make a structure for a chandelier. Usually, when I make them for my clients, that's like the ones that will appear here now. I end up making the structure out of steel. But in this case, I wanted to show you a simple way it can look cool after A. It is really difficult to distinguish whether it was made out of steel or MDF, as is the case. We are going to use a 9mm MDF for the main structure. And we are going to use sports to place the lamp. In this case, I am using the sports for and to hang the elements, which in my case were the glass elements that I made. I'm going to use these little hooks here. Does this have a correct name? But I don't know exactly what it's called. Oh, but just look in screw stores, hardware stores, look for the little hooks. Sometimes they even come in little bags. You can find them in construction material stores, and even some supermarkets. You can find these little hooks that we're going to use to hang them. It could be a cup, a bottle. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. In my case, I'm going to use my elements. So let's go to production, and I'll show you the step-by-step of this. So let's go ahead. Well guys, since my project is around chandelier, I'm going to use the routers to make the cups. I could use a type of type, but then I would have to sand the finish a lot to round it off. I'm going to make a neat outline, so I'm going to opt for the router. The entire arrangement of where the bottles will be is done mathematically. Oh, this I do. Hello? Good night. now that I have all my points marked and healed, I need to determine where they will stay. My sports, okay? You have to find somewhere where there is a bigger sport to place. Okay? One tip is that as there are 3 spots, I'm going to put them at 7 and 20 degrees apart. I'm going to mark it properly so I can drill the holes. I realize that I have a little saw on the right side. The way to do it is to drill and cut with the hatchet. So here we go. Well, as you can see, the cuts weren't perfect with the ground, but it's not a problem because later, when we install feet, one thing is settled. So now, let's do the shit. Thanks. To determine how high the edge will be, I am using the lamp. I've already put the sport in its place, plus the lamp, so I still need to leave some slack. If the ceiling was made of plaster, there would be no need. Just leave a small border for finishing. In my case, it's live, so there's no way live directly. So here we go. Well, as you saw, I just scored the exact length of my strip. I already took a strip of a 3mm tooth, fell out. As you turned around, I played the trick. Anyway, here we go. Thanks. I found this method to be better than holding on to some grains. So now I'm going to cut here, and we're going to continue. I did a pre-test to make sure it's the right size, and I've seen that it is. So now I'm going... I think it will be safer. So I'm going to prepare my glue, and I'm going to start putting this together.